What's up, guys? Tim just showed up with a bike I never thought I was ever gonna get in. This is one of the rarest Hondas out there. I've never seen one. I've never owned one. This is the first time I ever got one, and I am so pumped. This thing it's epic. I'm gonna test drive it. I'm gonna stick it in a corner. We're never gonna touch it again until it sells. We might even stick it in the office, but I think it's too big. This bike is giant. 4 of these bikes combined. That's how big this bike is. Let's go. Can you guys guess what it is? Nope.
Selective call frequency 1. Selective call frequency 1.
FC was sent to Italy and had the Italian leather, and they shipped it back to the guy.
Wow.
He said if you take that off, the seat is underneath it is perfect.
Man, that is a pretty
I
bike.
think that's like the coolest bike ever.
Look at those fins inside there.